Sports training directly or indirectly aim at improving the personality of a sports person. For example, sports training enhance the physical fitness. The fitness level will go on top. You will be fittest person if you are into this training. Reduces the recovery time. What is the recovery time here? Suppose recovery time, I would like to tell you about the recovery time. First of all, before telling this recovery time, we should know our heart rate rest and heart rate fatigue. What is heart rate rest? After a complete rest of 7 to 8 hours, we have to check our pulse rate. At pulse rate, if your pulse rate is 55 or 60, then we go at the heart rate fatigue. If the when we do a lot of rigorous training and at the time our pulse rate is touching 90, 100 or 100 and plus, and again whatever the time is taken to come back to your original pulse rate 60, 65, 55 or maybe 60, so how much time is taking? This duration is known as the recovery time, and this only time, this recovery time decide you are fit or unfit. So this training normally done on this recovery time only. Everybody is working for the recovery time. Suppose you do a very hard labor, very hard training, rigorous training for 1 hour, and with a period of short period of 5 minutes, again you are ready. That means your body is so capable of producing as well as the reducing the lactic acid from your body and all the waste from your body. It's so capable of disposing of the waste from your body, at the very same time breaking the lactic acid into your carbon and water within a period of 5 minutes. So you become the fittest person. Why? Because after a rigorous training of 1 hour, you get only 5 minute rest, and after that 5 minute rest again you are ready for the same work for the 1 hour same rigorous training. This is known as a fitness, this is known as a recovery time. So this is very essential. This recovery time is very very essential for each and every sports person. The next topic, it help you from the injuries. Sports training help you from the injuries. You must have seen so many times that especially the Zahir Khan and so many. I'm not taking the emphasizing anybody's name here. Especially you must have seen so many players there. There's a hamstring pull, this and that. This shows that before starting the bowling, they have not done their warming up properly. That is the reason why they are having this or any type of scarcity in the vitamins in their body, just because of this. If you are into this training, you will concentrate on your diet also. Diet is a very integral part, right? Diet is very integral part. You will skip all the bad qualities, bad eating habits, and you will accept only the good eating habits, good quality food, so which is going to save you from the injuries also. Sports training makes you disciplined, right? Early in the morning you have to do this particular thing, this training, whatever the schedule have been given, you will complete that schedule. Nobody's going to after your life that you have to do this. Why? Because you want to prove yourself. You want to prove yourself. That's why you are so disciplined. Whatever the role assigned by your coach, you on your own you will do. Not only you will do the same, you will do something extra also. So this type of discipline, this type of dedication will make you a fit person. This type of discipline and dedication will make you a world champion. Then sports training helps in focusing on the field. Whatever the work assigned you on the field, you will give 100% focus. You will give 100% concentration on your job, on your role, whatever the role have been given to you on the ground. No matter you are a senior or a junior, whether you have assigned your favorable work or not, whatever the work is assigned, you forget everything. You forget your strength. Whatever the role have been given, you have to mold yourself. You have to condition yourself in that particular role, and you have give your best, give your 100%, give you 100.